Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Today's video is going to be a video assessing an absolute crash scenario and the things you guys need to be watching for as a precursor before it happens. I've spent a long time preparing this video, guys. Hopefully this will be actually the best video you guys watch on the S&P 500 correlated to crypto, probably the entire month or maybe next month. So I want to dive in here. We are definitely going to be looking over here at long and short trade data on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to pull that into the mix, but we got to start on the SPY today. So we're going to go over the absolute crash scenario. And in the second half of the video, I'm going to show you guys a poll that we took based off 1,000 retail traders. And I asked them, you tell me, you tell the world, do you believe another huge recession crash is coming? You guys listen to those results and you tell me if you feel confident about putting money in this market right now. I think you're going to be pretty shocked by those results. Let's start in right here and let's look at the SPY as we start this analysis. Right now, we are sitting at a very strong what's called structure support. This is a structure and the support level sits right at about this level here, very close to current price, but we can move down just a little bit further, about $362. The next strongest structure support, which is not far away by any means, is on September 2nd, 2020, and that is at $358. The next support after that, which is really not that far either, is down here on February 10th, 2020, and that is $340. The largest support level we have is correlated to a 6.42% drop in the SPY. The closest one we have, which if we break support here, easily can head down there, is 2.61, close to 2.5. We must correlate this now to see if we move down, where is Bitcoin going to be? And this is the staggering part we're going to pull into the data here. Look back here at how much the SPY went down, and we're going to start on this date of basically the 8th of July, and we're going to move this to the 14th of July. And then we're going to look at the top here about August 16th, and we're going to pull this all the way down to the bottom of the candle wick value on September 6th. All right, I've already mocked this up to make this video even faster. What I want you guys to tell is these two moves over here are correlated to a 3x multiple, which is insane for Bitcoin, and a 2x multiple. The 5% drop that we ended up seeing over here on SPY that you can see right there, and a 10% drop, the exact same structures are correlated to a 15% drop and a 21% drop. That is a 3x and just over a 2x multiple. Follow me here. We're going to go back and forth here a little bit. If we get the smallest crash on SPY and just go to the next support zone, that is a 2.61% drop. Take this and correlate this over to Bitcoin, and we easily push below the ascending support line, which is very close to sitting around this level of about $18,000. This is only a 7.3% crash, puts us below this. Now, why is this so crucial for all of you guys watching this video? It is because of this, and we must go over to the long and short trade data. If you guys go to our website and look at crypto macro metrics up here, it's the third tab over, and I want you guys to scroll down. You're going to see Bitcoin long trades have been elevated incredibly high over short trades over here. And this started to happen right when the crash came out in the market. And this is right around at the mid to end of May. So what we've been seeing here is an incredible amount of accumulation of long trades, and they are not stopping accumulation. Take a look at this. You guys can see that long trades are continuing to increase at this level. Now let's take a look at Ethereum down here. Ethereum has the exact same story. Long trades are increasing in the market, and we've been shelving off here. Here is the big detrimental thing that could be happening to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin crashes below $18,000 and you guys are going to have an incredible amount of stop losses be hit. So imagine this with me. Everybody who got into the market right down here and they're riding their trades up, stop losses right here. Everybody got in, riding the market up, stop losses down here. Everybody getting down at the bottom here on, look, we got support. We're going to come back down to a double bottom. They got in and they're riding it up. Where are their stop losses? Right down here. Everybody who got in here and they bought long, where are the stop losses? Right there. Guys, we have like 4 pools of liquidity and it's around stop losses. So if we break down below $18,000, which we can easily do if the SPY just simply breaks support here and goes to the next support, we could be seeing somewhat of a flash crash in Bitcoin. Now, that's just the first support. What if we come down and hit the biggest support, which is over here on, like I mentioned, February 10th of 2020 at 340? That is a 6.27% drop. Do you remember? It is a 3x multiple and a 2x multiple. That is an 18 to 12% drop we could be seeing in Bitcoin. So let's take a look at 12, which is going to be right down here, and we could potentially be seeing all the way down to an 18% drop in Bitcoin correlated to S&P 500. That gives us a mark. Let me get down to 18 here, very close to it. That puts us back down to 15,698, guys. That is absolutely an official break here, and this could get incredibly bearish. Let me give you another point of data. Where is the next strongest support on Bitcoin if we break 18,000? It is $14,000. It is only right here, guys. This is why you need to be prepared in your accounts to potentially see a $14,000 drop is going to be a 26 to 27% drop in your personal account. All right. You thought that was kind of scary? I'm just prepping you guys. Now listen to this poll results that we got. This is pretty insane. I came out with this poll the other day and I said this: is another huge recession crash coming? Your vote. We have 80% of people who voted on this said 100% it gets worse from here. Only 20% of people said no way, it gets better from here. Here is where I'm going to interpret this for you guys, where you really need to pay attention. You must understand, if 80% of people are saying, look, 100%, I am convinced the market goes down from here. If and when the S&P 500 breaks this level and comes down to support here and absolutely crashes, that means retail traders are not coming in to save the day. And I know there's wells and there's too. They're not coming in to save the day to buy the price of Bitcoin. Why? Because they've already concluded in their souls, guys, that it 100% gets worse from here. You must understand that, because buying power does not come into the market unless you are convinced, hey, I think we're going to head up. This is the bottom. You are not going to have buying power come in because they're going to let it drop. The majority of all retail traders, and we've got some whales in here, are going to let Bitcoin drop because they're already convinced it's going to drop from there. 80% of people. This is where you guys need to use risk management and really get your accounts in check. We currently have our accounts split up in two different sections. We've got Coinbase Pro, and we've got another long-term holding account that's about $67,000. What we've done is split our account in two portions. We are 47% in cash right now, so we can buy lower, and this gives us about 52% that's actually exposed to the market. So watch this on your guys' accounts. I would highly recommend getting some more money in cash, probably around a 50% just in case we crash. Because if we do, we've got 80% of people not coming to the rescue to buy this. They are going to let it drop, and you need to be aware of that. This is going to be a longer video, but I'm going to continue this, and I'm going to show you guys now some of the bullish signs that we have in this market where we could potentially start turning around. I know it's long, but you guys are going to get everything in this video, and I'll make this fast. There are 4 points you need to see, and we're going to fly through this like crazy. A drop can easily come, and you know the area you guys need to be watching for. It's right around 360. Anything below that, we're going to probably see a crash down on the market. But let me give you guys some bullish signs for the other 20% of people who think it's going to go up. Let me give you those. Let's blast through this here. Trend exhaustion is incredibly low. Trend exhaustion low down here, guys, usually sees a jump back up in the S&P 500. We see trend exhaustion low here and here. What happened? A fast move up in the SPY. What happened over here? A fast move up. Could we be seeing that? Absolutely. From a technical analysis pattern, we have a bullish sign. So point number one, trend exhaustion low. This is absolutely bullish. All right. Number two, whale money flow. The whales have been selling into this market, and when we get down to this metric value down here, you must look to see what whales have done in the past. We are seeing whales buy in, and the market's going right back up. We are seeing whales buy into this metric value down here, and the market goes up. We are sitting at a strong area where whales historically have bought back into the market and saved us from going down. So undisputably, point number two is whale money flow is low, and this is a bullish sign technically. Now, number three, I'm going to combine two together. We have a very strong markdown here on the market reversals. It is 2 green bars in a row. And we also have price action pushing down into what's called a liquidity pool, which is where price action enters into these pools, and short traders usually look to close their positions because they're looking for the market to move back up. Let me correlate this. Over here, you guys can see price action pushing down into the green liquidity pool, and then we saw it move right back up. We saw it dip down in the liquidity pools over here. move back up. Liquidity pool got hit, move right back up. So the third sign, which I'm combining together, is a green liquidity pool or green bars on the market reversals. I'm going to call it green zones being hit, and this is absolutely bullish. Number 4, which may be the strongest sign and the biggest hope we have, guys, is we are at the strongest structure support possible for SPY, and the SPY loves to bounce off double bottoms. We see a double bottom formation right here, and I can show you guys many in the past. To save you guys from just looking at a bunch of data, I'll tell you guys, double bottom formations where structure comes in to pass support, this is usually where we're seeing some bounces back up in the market, so we can correlate this to 3 different points. That is number 4. It is a structure support double bottom for a move back up. So how do we take all this analysis and wrap this up here, guys? I want to do something very simple. I want you guys to simply watch for another buy or strong buy signal on the SPY. Why? Because I think majority of traders over here, guys, are going to let this thing absolutely drop if we crash back down. But I think the bottom of Bitcoin and the bottom of Ethereum could be on the next, listen, buy or strong buy signal on the SPY. So let me show you guys right now how to set this up, and everybody follow this. You need the top and bottom finder, the price response money flow, and trend exhaustion. These are all in the description. I'll show you how to get a massive discount on all of these in just 1 second. Come over here to the alert function, and I want you guys to follow these steps. Go to top and bottom finder. I want you guys to go to buy, and then I want you to go to once per bar closed and do SPY, not Bitcoin or Ethereum, SPY, and I want you guys to look for a buy signal, and I want you to create this. I want you guys to do this again up here. I want you to come up here to the top and bottom finder. I want you to go to buy signal, once per bar close, and we're going to do a strong buy signal. And this is going to be on SPY, and you can put it in here if you guys want to track this. I'm tracking this as well, and I'm going to create this. Here's real quick the reason why I'm doing this. A strong buy came out over here on the SPY, and it moved us completely into an uptrend, and we saw a massive jump in the SPY. Then you guys come over here and you're like, okay, where's the previous signs? Give me some evidence. It saw a jump in the SPY here. We saw a jump in the SPY here. And then the previous time before that, guys, was over here at the bottom. If you guys can see this, it was before we saw a massive jump back up in the SPY where we pretty much got to all-time highs. This is why it's so important. I think that is going to be your guys' jackpot move to get money back into crypto, as well as the SPY if you've got money in Roth IRAs or traditional IRAs. I am specifically looking for the next strong buy signal on SPY for the entire market to possibly bottom out, guys, and then see one of the biggest moves up we've seen. That could be the bottom before parabolic moves, so set that up, okay? Let's keep transitioning you guys straight into this. The indicators you guys need are all going to be discounted for you guys right now. The trend exhaustion and the price for small money flow, that is our bundle pack. Snag that today. You're going to get 82% off our retail value price, lifetime access, one-time payment, source codes included. All right. No brainer, guys. The best money you're going to spend on indicators because this predicts market moves. And if you predict market moves, you make money. All right. Bundle pack includes 9 indicators. Here is the best part. For everybody that's purchasing the bundle pack, you guys are immediately going to get a 53% coupon code for the top and bottom finder, which you need to set up the strong buy and the buy signal on. Once you guys take that coupon code here, everybody go over to this link right here after you purchase the bundle pack and click this. All I want you guys to do is scroll down, click I want this, and then enter the coupon code right here. You guys will get $400 off our top and bottom finder, guys. This is a no-brainer. Set this up. Seriously, if you don't see that signal come out, guys, and everyone else does, they're going to start buying it up like crazy. The next buy or strong buy signal, specifically the strong buy signal on SPY, I do believe could be the absolute bottom for this year, and then we move up from there. It is proven to be the bottom the last 4 times before we've seen moves back up. Make sure you set this up so you do not miss out on that signal. Last but not least, guys, I know I didn't talk about this too much, but if you made it till the end, we are using all these indicators to scalp the market, and we are 440% more than the S&P 500, and we've pulled out 11.5% profit in September alone. If you're using risk management, you guys can see the results we have over here. Easily, guys, $75 is not going to be spent better anywhere else. You throw it into trading, it's probably going to be in a bear market, and you're going to lose your $75. Take that $75 and take the money that you guys are putting into the market, maybe take some out, get the indicators that are actually going to make you guys money and predict the bottoms, as well as the membership that's going to give you guys access to all of our scalping trade calls, our macro metrics with long and short data on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to coach you guys every single month. Get education in this market. I say this humbly, we are crushing it over here with our scalping strategy, and we've got more testimonials coming in. Just want to let you know, last night I watched the metrics on DOT and made 4% in less than 17 minutes. This guy over here buys the top and bottom finder, guys. He's like, I've made $3,200 in the last 3 days, bro, trading in Binance futures. Guys, people are buying our stuff and they are making money. This guy bought the bundle pack as well as the top and bottom finder, and he made his money back within 2 hours after purchasing. That's enough, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this analysis. I really need you guys to be setting up that strong buy and buy signal on the top and bottom finder for your benefit to watch the bottom of the SPY, because I think that's the next bottom for crypto. Everything you need is in the description. I'll see you guys later. Snag that small $75 a month membership. We'll call the trades out for you guys, and we'll coach you guys live every single month, and enjoy the master classes and all the other things we've got for you guys. Subscribe until next video. I'll see you guys. God bless you. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.